Hello student, already we started the lesson number 18, look before you leap. And in this lesson we learned how the two frog friends were live happily in the beautiful lake where the fishes are moving and the insects are buzz, that is noise. Again we saw the two frog friends now worried because of the summer season, the lake or the pond become dry. So let's start the remaining lesson. Looks like it, said the other. What shall we do then? How shall we live? We must search a place where there is plenty of water and food for us. You are right. It is hard work traveling in this hot sun, but there is no other way. Come, let us start. The sooner the better. If we travel together, the search will be easier. Now see the student. These both frog friends were worried. Why they are worried? They thought, if the whole pond will dry, then how we can live? Where we can go? Better than what we do, we can search the new place where we can get the enough water and food for us. So these both friends were discussed and they decide this is correct. This is the hard work to travel or to search the new place in this hot sun, but now there is no other way. We can search the new place where we can get the enough food. So these both friends started to traveling, and what they say is, if we travel together easily we can search the new place. If we travel together, the search will be easier. If they both started to search, they will definitely get the new place. So these two friends started to search the new place. Now see the next para. So the frogs left the drying pond and began to look for a watery place. They hopped and became very tired. Just then, one of them saw a whale in the distance. They rushed to the whale. The whale was built in stone and had a high circular wall. The frogs hopped onto the wall and peeped inside. The whale was quite deep, but there was a lot of water still left at the bottom of the whale. The friends began to jump for joy. We are so fortunate. Thank God that we found this whale. Now see, these two friends started to search the new place, and because of this they can leave their beautiful pond which is now dry. So they left the pond and started to search the new watery place. Whole the way they hopped in this hot sun, and because of this they can very tired. Just then suddenly what happened? One of them can saw a whale in a far away, in a distance. So they hop and they rush, they reach up to the whale. The whale was built in a stone and had a high circular wall. Now see, the whole whale is built by using the stone, and on that wall there is a wall. So the frog hopped onto the wall and they peeped inside, and what they saw, the whale was so deep, but at the bottom of this well still water lay. So the frog friends were very happy and they began to jump, and they said, oh, we are so fortunate, we are so lucky, thank God we can found this well, we can found the watery place and joyfully they can jump. Now see the next para. Our problem is solved. Our search has ended. We have found a new home. Let's jump in together. 1, 2, wait friend. This well is so deep and there's water left only at the bottom. But we can surely dive in. However deep the well may be, diving is our specialty. Why do you hesitate? Now see, now the two friends were happy because they searched the new place. And that's why they are happily jumped. So the friend decided, now our problem is solved, we can found the place, now we can jump in this well. But another friend says, wait my friend, you have to peep inside. The well is so deep and in the well the water left only at the bottom of this well. But what the other friend says, yes, but we can dive, we can swim. Maybe how much deep the well? We can dive, we can swim, or we can jump in this well, because diving, jumping or the swimming is our specialty. Then why you stop me? Better than we can jump in this well. Now see the next. It has occurred to me that this well is also drying up. If it dries up completely, we will have to leave this well too. I agree, but why do you hesitate now? Now see the student. The frog friends were ready to jump in this well, but the other friend says, maybe it will be happen, or after sometimes if the well dry, then how we can leave the well? How we can come out of this well? So what the other friend said, I agree, I know that, but now why you stop me? Why you hesitate me now? Let me jump. Now see the next. It's because I see a problem. We can easily dive into the well, but what if the well dries up? Can we jump so high that we reach the top of this wall? Shall we be able to leave the well like we left the pond? Now see the student, what the other friend says. Now you have to see, I saw the problem. In future or in sometimes or after sometimes, if the well completely dry, then how we can jump, how we can come out of this well? We can dive, we can jump easily in this well, but after that how we can come out? Now you have to see, the well is so high, we never reach the top of this well. We left the pond because it is easy to leave it, but if one time we jump in this well, we never come out because the well is so high and we cannot jump up to this wall. So these two friends were discussed. Now see the last para. You are right, friend, said the other frog. I had not thought of this. It is good that you could foresee this problem. Let's not leap inside. Let's continue with our search. And so the two little frogs hopped on to look for a safe shelter. How well it is said, look before you leap. Now see, the two friends were discussed to jump inside or what we do. But now they understood, if we jump in this well, we never come out of this well. In future or after sometimes, if the well dry, We cannot come out of this well. Better than we never jump. So other friend said, yes, you are right. I never thought this way. It's good you have to see this problem. Better than what we'll do, we can search another place. So instead of jump inside or instead of leap inside, the two friends were decided we will start or we will continue our search. And these two little frogs started to hop, started to search the another place for their shelter, for their safe shelter. So how well it is said, look before you leap. Means this lesson which message give us students? This lesson gives us a message. Whenever we want to do anything, we should think about it before the did that things. Means whenever we want to do anything, we should think about it before this. So student understood the lesson? You have to read the lesson.